Hi guys! So today I'm coming to do a plan with me, and I am doing it from the 22nd of January to the 28th. So I've decided to use this one this week. I was going to use another one, but I've decided not to. And this one is from the Paper Crown Planner. I will leave her details below. Again, it's a printable one. So I have literally cut out everything on this page because I am now planning separately in my Ugly Dory. If you want a flip through of everything that I'm doing in my Ugly Dory, please let me know and I will be sure to do a flip through of what I've got in here now. Other than that, look at all them on the bottom. I love how they jingle. Anyway, never mind. Yeah, I printed these out from Annie Plans Printables. If you don't know, she is no longer on Etsy. She's got her own website. But yeah, I've been planning in there, and this is basically the leftovers from whatever I'm using the week before. So yeah, that's just a kit I was using a while ago. So yeah, all my plans are in there, so I'm going to keep that to one side. So as usual, I'm just going to start off with the bottom washi. I'm going to put the date covers on, and yeah, I'll come back after that. Okay, so this kit does come with some glitter headers, so I'm just going to put these at the top here because I'm not going to do what I did last week. Oh, talking about last week, I wanted to show you this kit. Now, I completely forgot I had some normal kits that I purchased a long time ago, and this one was a Harry Potter inspired kit. How cool is that? And what I'm going to start doing with these plan with me's, I can't cope with doing them every week, so I'm just going to do one every other week. But yeah, I really enjoyed doing this Harry Potter inspired kit. Any hoodles, back to this week. So yeah, I'm just going to put the headers down, and I'm not going to put any checklist down because I've got too much to do in the week, so I'm just going to leave them off. So I'm going to put these glitter headers down, then I'm going to put the full boxes down. Okay, so I'm using this pen to write stuff in. I literally got it from these fine liners that I got from Hobbycraft, I think it was, or the range. Different colours, just got a fine tip on it. Saying that, with no checklist, I really didn't do a lot on Monday, so I am going to put one on Monday. So I'm going to start off with my giveaway ended. So I'm just going to get one of these. Just put one of these down. I'm going to put that at the top. I don't do mine in chronological order. I just put it wherever I feel I need to. So I'm going to put down there that my giveaway ended. Down here, Gaz went cycling, so I'm going to get my stickers. Oh, I ordered some more off Etsy. I must put that down as well. I found some really good, cool character stickers for £1, guys. So I got 10 of, 10 of them. Can't wait for them to come. She posted them today, so hopefully get them by this week, because you're probably watching this on Monday. So I'm just going to put that down here. And then the only other thing I did was do myself one hand. Because I usually do acrylic nails for my videos. I usually do one hand one day and then film my other hand the other day. So I literally did one hand on Monday. Okay, so I've just moved the back because I've got no room to write, so that doesn't make sense. So yeah, on to Tuesday. Let me see. Right. So Tuesday, I finished my nails off in between other things. So with these printables, I will leave a link to where I got these from. There was a whole lot of things that you could have downloaded from this particular seller, and these were on them. Oh my god, my cutting skills, seriously. So I'm going to get some of this and just stick it in between. Seriously. Right, so that's down from my medication. Gas went out again, so I'm going to get one of these. I'm going to put that right in the middle, like that. Then I'm going to put that at the top, and I can write in how many miles he's done. And then the last thing I did was finish off planning. So I'm going to get one of these. These are from Designer Sticker Store off Etsy, and again these are printables. Let's get this grey one, that's nice, and just pop that in. Okay, so that is Tuesday done. Oh, we're motoring through now, guys. So Wednesday morning I did my friend's nails. And I'm going to do this in a pink one of them boxes. I don't obviously do people's nails very often, so it's nice when I get the chance to. Plus I get to spend a bit of time with my best friend, so that's always nice. I wish I could do my plan with me's like other people who I watch. I mean, they talk all the way through. I just can't find anything interesting enough in my life to talk all the way through a plan with me. So that's why you get music. Never mind. Okay, the next thing was my granddad had a hospital appointment, and not going into too much detail, but yeah, he's got to have surgery, and it's not the best surgery in the world, if you get what I mean. Okay, that in there. I filmed a video and I filmed Twinkle Tea. Okay, so that's it for Wednesday. You know, I didn't think I'd ever get a style of planning that I like, but I really like this. Instead, I've tried the no space planning, but I just don't like it. It's just too much to look at, so I do like the odd space. Anyway, we're on to Thursday. Just had to make sure I was filming then, I nearly died. But we are. Okay, this is a lot. So Thursday is the day that I found out that I had a £31 charge for the, I'm doing a swap with a girl from America, and yeah, she sent stickers, I sent nail stuff, and yeah, £31 charge, guys. I was not happy, but you know, bless her, Her name's Vanessa. I will leave the link to her channel below. I know I've not got that many subbies to help her out with this channel, but the swap will be on my main channel, which is my nail channel. So I'm hoping to get some subbies because she is the most amazing person. Do you know, she even helped me to pay the charge because we've had a rough month, you know, the month after Christmas and all that. And yeah, she even helped me to pay that. Okay, that's just gone not right. So that video will be up on my nail channel next week sometime. So I will leave the link to that. But she is so sweet. She is so sweet. I'm just hoping that what I sent her was sort of good enough because she's gone way over the budget that we said. But so have I. But nail stuff in England is a lot more expensive than nail stuff in America, so I just hope that she likes what I give her. But anyway, we'll soon find out. So my mum had an appointment. Let's do green, so I'm going to put that down. I maybe won't put in what that's about because, you know, it's personal and all that. So that's that. I paid 2 bills, so I'll use both of these. Okay, I went the range Hobbycraft and Ryman, so I can use another 3 box for that. And then nothing else happened at the bottom, so I'm going to get rid of that header and just put some washi down. Alright, on to Friday. So I'd ordered a new e-cig, so that I wasn't in for that, so I had to go pick it up from the post office. So gas cycled again, so I'll put one of these down. I have got some other stickers where I'm using which are a bit smaller, but I can't seem to find them, so I'm going to wait to find them and not put the bigger one down. I'm going to get one of these, oh there you are, I'm going to get one of these 3 heart checklist things and use that here and put a to-do sticker there. This was for the video I did for Twinkle Tea, so I'll leave a bit of space for things nail related wise. Okay, then I filmed a voiceover, so I'll get one of these to put down for the voiceover. And then that's it for Friday. Oh no, it isn't. I ordered the stuff from Etsy on Friday. So I got these out because, so I just didn't forget, which I nearly did. So I'm going to use, what's the thing there? So I'm going to use this pink one. And I'm going to put it at the bottom of this because it's pretty. I don't want to cover the flowers up. Right, on to Saturday, which is today. So I'm going to leave that as it is for now, and I will see you back here in a second. But for me, it'll be probably tomorrow night. Okay, so bam, I have some new nails on. God, I wish they were that quick to do, just like from one shot to another and your nails are done. Anyway, I haven't finished these yet, but these will be on my channel on Saturday, on my other channel. Right, so it is now Saturday and I really didn't do a lot Saturday, so I'm going to put a full box down, a checklist down even. It's just been one of them days today, guys. I haven't stopped. So this again is just to take up room because I didn't do a lot on Saturday. You know, when I'm doing this when I'm doing this plan with me, all my stickers look straight, but when I go back and look, it's like, yeah, they really weren't. But I'm not gonna obsess over them. If they're really crooked, then I will change them. If they're not, I mean, that's not right, but I'm not gonna bother about it. So literally all I did was film 2 videos, so I'm just gonna maybe put 2 of these down. Okay, so that's Saturday, so on to, where are you? Sunday. Okay, so I edited 3 videos on Sunday. I mean, it's alright filming them, but you've got to edit them at the end of the day. So I'm going to put that there, and then I'm just going to put dots and then what I edited, and then I filmed my nails. So I'm just going to put this blue one on. I'm going to put all the character stickers on after. And then the last thing I had to do was pick a new winner for my notebook, and then I had a bit of me time. I'm just going to put this here for filming my nail video, or what I could, because as I said, I haven't finished them yet. So in this I have, where's the bath? There's the bath. I'm going to put that down and then me time on top. Just like that. Okay, so that is it for the week. That is it just before I fill anything in. So, oh no, sidebar. Let's do the sidebar. Now I can show you the full spread in all its glory, yay! Okay, so I am just going to fill this out. I'm going to put some little icon things down of things that I've got to do, because this might take me quite a while, and then I'll be back to show you the finished spread. Okay guys, so that is the whole week planned out and written in. I love this kit. I have used this kit a couple of times on different planners that I've had in the past. And yeah, it's still one of my favourite ones. One thing I did forget to do was do the weekend banner. I really enjoyed this week. I will be filming next week's plan with me as well, because I will have some kits off Vanessa. Again, I will leave her link in the description box. Go check her channel out. I love watching what she does, and her kits are to die for, guys. They are so good. Oh, anyway, I'll let you go and see for yourself. But I hope you enjoyed this week's plan with me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.